If you love lemons like I love lemons, you're gonna love this lemony lemon cake recipe. It goes down in 3 different parts. It does take a little bit of time, but trust me, it will be so worth it. Let's dive in. Here's part 1, time to make the cakes. Make sure that your butter, eggs, and buttermilk are at room temperature for this recipe. Then you need to grease 2 springform pans. Have your stand mixer and food processor standing by and preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Now add your sugar and your lemon rinds to your food processor and pulse. Take that delicious lemony sugar and cream it together with your butter. Now blend your eggs one at a time. Now whisk together your flour, cornstarch, baking powder, and salt. Alternating the flour and the buttermilk, but starting and ending with the flour, blend everything together. With about half a cup of flour left to go, mix the rest by hand, but don't mix it up too much. Bake for about 45 to 50 minutes. Now while your cakes are baking, it's time to do part 2, the lemon curd. Grab your sugar, lemon, eggs, and butter. And just like we did before, it's time to mix your sugar and lemon rind in your food processor. Whisk everything but your butter in a small pan. Don't turn on your heat just yet. You're ready to whisk this on low heat for about 1 minute. Add your butter and keep on whisking. Pop this in the fridge for later. Get your cakes out of the oven, let them cool for about 10 minutes, and transfer to wire racks. Welcome to part 3. Time to assemble your cake and make your lemon whipped cream. Now, don't try and do this before your lemon curd is cooled in the fridge and your cakes are cool to the touch. Otherwise, things are gonna get melty and weird. If you're serving this cake today and you know it's gonna get eaten, ignore the part about the cornstarch. That's just to stabilize your whipped cream so that it doesn't fall in case there are leftovers over the next few days. But my guess is that's not gonna happen. It's super important that your whipping cream is cold for this part, so don't leave it out. And remember, the cornstarch is optional. With all of your ingredients in your mixing bowl, whip it good. No, but seriously, whip it until stiff peaks form, okay? Put one of your cakes on a cake plate and add a thick layer of lemon curd. Then add your other cake on top. And finally, it's whipped cream time. And because I added the cornstarch, my whipped cream is stable enough to add some designs. Well, hello, gorgeous. All that's left to do now is slice, serve, and enjoy.